Hello everybody, it's Mr. B here. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the 5 components of physical fitness as well as the FIT principle and how they combine to make overall physical fitness. So to start, we've got cardiovascular endurance. And in cardiovascular endurance, the definition of it would be the ability of the heart, lungs, and blood vessels to move and use oxygen effectively. Some examples would be running, hiking, walking, swimming, as well as dancing. And I got a picture of a guy running here. And then the benefits of cardiovascular endurance include the heart pumping more efficiently, the lungs working better, and it lowers risk for diabetes or diseases such as diabetes, obesity, and other heart-related diseases. So also when you have good cardiovascular endurance, your resting heart rate is lowered and the heart is able to pump out more blood more efficiently. So here we have muscular strength. And there's a few differences between muscular strength and muscular endurance. The definition of muscular strength would be the maximum amount of force that a muscle can exert at one time by pushing, pulling, or lifting. So being able to bench press 220 pounds would be muscular strength, compared to doing muscular endurance would be bench pressing 14 times with a lighter weight. Examples of this could be a bicep curl, bench press, squat, lunge, and leg press, also referred as to like a maximum, your maximum strength. So if you could bicep curl a 45-pound weight, that would be your maximum bicep curl, and that would be your muscular strength. So benefits are increasing muscle size, reducing body fat percentage, reducing pain, and protection against disease. You'll notice that all of these components protect against disease. And they all combine to make better BMI, which we'll talk about here in a minute. Muscular endurance would be the ability to hold a position for a long time, push, pull, or lift an object many times. So if you can hold a plank for a minute, that'd be a muscular endurance. If you could do bench press 14 times, that'd be muscular endurance. Push-ups, as many push-ups as you can do, abdominal crunches, pull-ups, cycling for a long time, stair-stepping. And the benefits would be stronger bones and tendons, ligaments as well, decreases the risk for heart-related diseases, and decreases risk of injury and improves body composition. So flexibility is an important one, and it's also one of the 5 components of physical fitness. So the definition would be ability for muscles, ligaments, and tendons through range of motion. So if you can touch your toes, you're showing flexibility. Examples would be forward lunges, sideways lunges, standing quad stretch, knees to the chest, and crossover stretch. Benefits to this are improved muscle condition, achieve better balance, and reduces risk of injury. Stretching is very important. The more exercise you do, the more stretching you need to do as well. So all 4 of these components, muscular strength, cardiovascular endurance, muscular endurance, and flexibility, combine to make someone's body composition. And then, definition of body composition would be doctors use BMI to measure your height and weight and to find if you are underweight, normal weight, overweight, or obese. BMI is associated with body fat percentage but doesn't give an accurate picture of your body makeup. So the benefits of this, having a good body composition, would just be everything we talked about, the other ones. You have good balance, you have good body or good muscular strength, you have good cardiorespiratory strength and endurance. You're flexible, and there's lots of different ways you can measure body composition. And some tools that we can use to improve all of these is called the FIT principle. It's pretty simple. So the F stands for frequency, the I intensity, the T time, and type. And the second T is type. So frequency is obviously the number of sessions in a week that you train. I stands for intensity, and it's the amount of weight used per repetition. And then time, how long you work out for. Make sure that you're taking rest in between sets. There are different rest techniques that you do when you're using cardio versus muscular strength. And that can just be explored. The more experience you get, the better you can have better experiences and stuff like that. So type, exercise type should vary in both your strength and conditioning routines to improve gains and keep you engaged during your workouts. So you want to switch it up so you don't get bored of doing the same thing. And yeah, so there it is, guys, the 5 components of physical fitness as well as the FIT principle. And together, these will help you improve your body composition, your muscular strength, your cardiovascular endurance, muscular endurance, flexibility, and that's it. Have a good one. Thank you. Bye-bye.